Hey guys, in this video we are going to be checking out the best combination square. Through extensive research and testing we've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. We have included options for every type of user, so whether you are looking for a best budget, like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started with the video. Number 1. Swanson Tools 6-inch combination square. If larger scales are overkill for your projects and it's affecting the quality of your measurements, then Swanson can help you find balance and reliability. This 6-inch blade features both imperial and metric measurements, allowing you to use whatever best suits your needs, and black etched markings make this compact combo square a breeze to read. Also, stainless steel construction ensures this product's longevity and precision. These sturdy combination square sets are made of die-cast zinc that is highly rust-resistant and plays a significant role in fortifying the tool's toughness. A built-in brass scriber and a heavy-duty level bubble make marking easy even when you can't find a pencil. Additionally, a spring-loaded bolt keeps the stainless steel blade in place so angles won't slip, causing you to lose accuracy. The included blue book is also essential for getting started on roofing projects as well. Plus, the compact size of this combination square is perfect for fitting in your pocket or tool belt while on the job. A built-in scribe also allows you to make quick markings, even when you can't find a pencil. Pros: impact resistance level. Cost-effective woodworking tool. Compact design. Black gradations. Cons: not suitable for large projects. Number 2. Irwin Tools combination square. Irwin is a trusted manufacturer of tools, so we knew their combination square was going to be one of our favorites. This one has all the features we're looking for in a durable package that's priced reasonably for us. That covers all the bases. The Irwin combination square has a built-in bubble level for when you need to check your level at a glance. It's got a rust-proof blade with precision-etched graduations that are also painted black to make them easy to read so you can always get your measurements quickly. This square's head is made from cast zinc. It slides smoothly, but if you take it off completely, it's a bit of a pain to get back on. Still, this was the square that represented the best overall combination of price, value, and performance, which is why it tops our list as the best combination square available this year. This isn't the most accurate model on the market, as it's not suitable for highly detailed work, and since it's made from stainless steel, there'll be some flex, but when you consider this product's value, its limited shortcomings are acceptable. Pros: built-in level. The etched markings are easy to read. The blade is rust-proof. Imperial and metric measurements. Cons: can be a pain to get the head back on. Number 3. Irwin Tools combination square. Metal body, 6-inch. If you need to check angles or take measurements in a confined space, this 6-inch combination square by Irwin Tools is your best bet. This China-made product promises to offer the best quality features you can find. It comes with a rigid, stainless steel blade with etched markings that are easy to read. The divisions are down to 1/8 and 1/16 segments on one side of the blade. The other side features a metric scale with 1 mm divisions. The die-cast zinc head is compact enough to fit in your hand. Also, the tool comes with a built-in scriber and spirit level. Despite its affordable price, the tool features etched machine markings that last long. Moreover, with its sharp contrast, you can trust the tool to offer easy readability. Also, I recommend this tool for large layout projects. This includes all construction jobs which don't require high levels of precision. The divisions are only in 1/8 inch and 1/16 inch segments, but the reverse side of the blade has a metric scale in 1 mm divisions. The head is a die-cast zinc unit that fits comfortably in the hand and offers a bubble level and a scriber. Pros: durable etched markings. Affordable. Durable. 1 mm divisions. Cons: low accuracy. Number 4. WorkPro Rafter Square and Combination Square Tool Set. Unlike your typical combination square, this set has a built-in carpenter square. Moreover, it includes a bubble level and a removable brass scriber. Also, the ruler is quite solid and features graduations down to 1/32 inches. The Rafter square is die-cast and consists of a heavy-duty aluminum alloy. So, besides being durable, you can trust the tool to deliver precise measurements. It also includes a combination ruler that's cast from zinc alloy. The tool also features a 12-inch stainless steel blade with 3 scale values, including 1 mm, 1/16, and 1/32. It is also a user-friendly option, with the lipped fence allowing you to brace the Rafter square flash with wood. You can also use the 7 or 8-inch fence as a circular saw guide for cross-cutting lumber. While the WorkPro combination square looks like a quality tool at first glance, it includes major flaws in execution. This may impact your experience negatively. Using the tools, also, the square costs more than other competitor brands we've tested. Pros: it offers reliable precision, it features a marked-out scale that's easy to read, it has a durable steel ruler. Cons: it doesn't have a differentiating mark at half an inch. Number 5, Johnson Level and Amp, Tool Metal Combination Square. We love a good deal, so cheap tools that function well always get a second look from us. This combination square from Johnson Level and Amp tool is one of the cheapest ones we tested, but it's still a decent tool. It's got a zinc head with a chip-resistant coating that feels like it's going to hold up. To that end, it's warranted for a year, so we have some faith in it, but there were still several flaws holding this tool back. For instance, the edges are surprisingly sharp and several of our testers accidentally scratched themselves when they weren't paying enough attention. We also discovered that the locking mechanism doesn't get quite tight enough. When you try to wrench it down, it pulls the head out of square, but if you're gentle with it and you don't over-tighten the lock screw, it's still pretty usable. However, with this price range, we could easily doubt the level of accuracy offered by the product. Another downside is that the square's ruler features stamped marking. Nevertheless, this tool emerged top in our testing for knob adjustability and smooth ruler slide. Pros: affordably priced, zinc head with a chip-resistant coating, warranted for 1 year. Cons: sharp edges can scratch you.
Alright guys, that's all for now. Please leave a like on the video. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.